Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your bank or card app and locating the virtual card quickly. Enter 2FA to unlock details. Once done, view the card number, expiry, and CVV so you can choose tactile or contactless use. Make sure the virtual card is set for merchant use, not locked to one merchant, and check single-use versus multi-use settings because that changes how you proceed at the terminal. Finally, prepare the POS type you'll face: contactless, chip insert, or manual key-in. Next, perform the actual authorization. For contactless, open your mobile wallet, select the virtual card, and tap the terminal. Hold steady until you see confirmation. For chip or insert terminals, if the provider supports a virtual card via a device, follow prompts and supply the dynamic CVV or one-time code the app generates. This proves you own the card. If the merchant must key in numbers, carefully type the card number, expiry, and CVV. Watch for prompts to enter an address or postal code. To finish, wait for merchant confirmation and request a receipt. Take a screenshot of the authorization code for records. If the payment declines, first check your available balance, whether the card was single-use and already consumed, or if the app's OTP failed. Then verify the terminal supports virtual/NFC payments. If problems persist, freeze or reissue the virtual card from the app and retry. Or contact bank support with your screenshot and transaction time so they can reverse or reauthorize the charge promptly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.